Imagine waking up every morning to this view. Imagine you don't need a snooze button. Imagine you are a stonemason living in the 15th century and you have to create a flower using only chisel and hammer. Imagine 6 centuries later, the flower is still blooming. Imagine the city sculpted in white stone with just 24 streets and only one without any steps. Imagine how easy it is to be different. Imagine being in the 16th century on this tower, in the middle of the battle, fighting enemies with cannons, guns, rocks, or hot oil. Imagine 21st century, friends coming to visit and drinking cocktails. Imagine what it looked like when Columbus went to discover the new world. Imagine city skyline that has barely changed in the last 600 years. Imagine Korčula. Welcome to Korčula.